Hey, hi, welcome to the podcast channel. In this video, I would like to demonstrate how to create a branch, how to commit your changes, how to pull, push, fetch your changes, how to check out the branch, uh, all through the Visual Code, Visual Studio Code Editor 1. So let's see one by one. So here I have already set up the control repositories, right? Okay, so you need to go and set up, you need to search for the extension for Bitbucket, so which I have already installed. So here you will be having your settings. You can go by extension settings UI. So I am logged in to Jira Cloud, and as well as for Bitbucket, I have logged in. So you need to first do this, and then once you have installed the extension of Atlassian, Bitbucket, and Jira, so you can see your uh, Jira issues, the ticket on which you are working in. Right now, I don't have any kind of tickets, and if you want to create a pull request, you can create a pull request. And if you have the pipelines, like pipelines, this meant by like if there is no need to deploy it manually, you need to have a set of YAML commands, and you need to run it. That's it. It will automatically uh, deploy your code to the development or testing or staging or production. That's it. So we can see one by one. So we have a source control option over here. So right now I'm in feature branch. I have named it as feature one. So let me create a new branch. Create branch from. So creating a branch. Uh, you want to create a branch from which branch you want to create it. So like I want to create a feature branch. So always wherever you work, the feature branch, like the branching name format should be like this. Always the first part of the branch name should specify what kind of branch it is. Like if you are going to work in any stories or spike, then it's going to be a feature branch. If you are going to work in a bug, then it's going to be a bug fix branch. If you are going to work in production defect, then it's going to be a hotfix branch. If you are going to work in some of the release tickets, then it should be a release branch. So now I'm creating a feature branch, and your name, so first name and last name, and I'm trying to create a ticket number. It should be a ticket number. Uh, it's for me. It's a feature one of for the ticket one. Sorry, I'm escaping to cancel it. I'm recreating it with a branch from. I would like to create a branch from master, and I'm recreating it to CC feature one. That's it. Press enter. So I already have this sample code, sample PHP code over here. So I'm now giving my message, and always the commit message should have your ticket number to avoid wrong merge while writing a PR. Okay, so my ticket number is feature one. Commit changes for feature one, whatever the message you want to give, right? You can give it, but it should be a meaningful one. Commit and push and commit and sync. It will ask for, would you like to stage all your changes, commit them directly? Yeah, currently I have only one file for program.php where I can go ahead and comment it. And again, currently we have created a branch in our local, so there is no remote branch in the repository, so we need to publish it. Yes, give agree, okay. So for this, so currently I have GitHub and as well as the Bitbucket, so in which you want to go ahead. So I would go ahead into the Bitbucket. So finally, uh, my branch is getting published. My branches are published, and you can see it here. And if you want to create a pull request, you want to select source branch. It's still loading. You can wait for it. Meanwhile, meanwhile, uh, we can see whatever the branches we have in the Bitbucket. So whatever the branch we created, it's there. So if we go and check inside, we have created a file called program.php. So either by two ways you can create a pull request. Uh, it should list down the branches of what are the branches you have, and it should also list down. So that might be a big bucket API issues. So that's might slow down the loading process of it. Else, the another way is by by clicking on the creating a pull request by creating it in the browser. So it will take to the browser action. So when I click on the external browser, it goes there where it takes into me feature CC feature one branch to the master branch, and I say create a pull request. This is the way create a pull request, and and if you see it where we have created pull request in the browser, so we can see it here. And yeah, these are the details, commits, feature one commits in this called. These are the files. So where the program.php file doesn't exist in the master branch. So what I'm going to do now is we are going to merge it up, merge the pull requests. So So the way the merge is where we can also merge it over here. By clicking on the details and you want to add some summary or add some comments to the developer, and add it over here and save it and approve and then merge it. So simple. That's it, guys. Please subscribe, share, like, and comment. And also let me know what are all the other videos you want to know about it so I can post upon it in regular basis. So I'm planning to post a video on a weekly basis. So yeah, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.